As the title says, today I will teach you how to use the vernier caliper correctly. Vernier calipers are divided into 4 parts: the main ruler, the vernier ruler, the measuring claw, and the depth ruler. First, let's take a look at the use of measuring claws. If you are randomly stuck in one position, this is wrong. The correct way should be to measure in a fully closed part, like this. So how to measure the inner diameter? You only need to align the 2 tangent points of the circle and stick it with the inner measuring claw. How to use the depth gauge? You only need to push its front end at the deepest point of the measured object. Press down on the vernier caliper so that the bottom of the main ruler and the plane of the object coincide. Finally, we need to protect the sharpest part of the measuring claw and avoid knocking to ensure that it is intact. Otherwise, there will always be a large error in the measurement. If you find it useful, please give us a like and subscribe.